करूँ?
Mm-hmm.
ठीक है. So hello friends, welcome back on YouTube channel. Today we have Mayank Gupta in the house. So hello Mayank Gupta, how are you?
Hello, sir. I am fine. What about you?
Me always great. So how are you feeling right now? Because you are talking to me and you are like on YouTube.
I am feeling very great. I get opportunity to come in your video.
Nice. So nowadays what are you doing?
I am doing my BTech first year right now.
Okay. So like your exam is going on. Exams are going on.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. So today we are here to talk on Mahakumbh. Yes, as we all know that it is very on trend, but religious festival of Hindus. So what do you think about Mahakumbh and this kind of like religious festivals?
I think the Mahakumbh is one of the largest religious gathering.
Hmm.
Like so many peoples that are spiritual about our Hinduism are came to like Mahakumbh and take holy waters and enjoying the feel of the area.
Okay, okay. So like suppose you have a chance to go in like to Allahabad. So would you like to go?
Yeah, I if I get a chance, then I will.
You must go.
Because in my from my house my mother and my father is going, but I don't because my exam is going on. That's why.
So I think like after 12 years it happens. Yes, every 12 years.
There are there are 4 to 5 types of kumbh. Like at that time it's a Poon Mahakumbh,
Okay.
Poon Kumbh Mela. Like it comes after 12 years of every Kumbh Mela.
Oh. So
Yes.
like I have a question that
Total there are five.
yes, yes.
I think total there are five kumbhs. Uh, I remember first of all Mahakumbh, then second Ardh Mahakumbh, Poon Mahakumbh, Kumbh Mela and Megh Mela.
Okay. So what is
Yes.
right now like which mela is which fair is going right now?
Can you
Which
repeat
Kumbh Mela
again?
is right now? Like we can
It's a Poon Mahakumbh Mela.
okay. So like
Yes.
as we all know that this is very like you can say hard festival of like Hindus. Okay, religious festival of like Mahakumbh Mela is one of the mela that is very like on trend right now. Like we can see everywhere on social media, like on in newspaper also. So what is your like opinion about Mahakumbh? Like because I think that what people think if we have done sin अगर हम पाप कर चुके हैं so we go in like any kind of Yamuna river and Ganga river and go and like take bath over there and we will be fine, like we will resolve our all sins and all these kind of things. So what is your opinion about it?
Like it's not about like you do any like hills and you go and take bath there and you banish all your bad works. ये तो आपके हाथ में ही है.
Okay.
How can you manage all these stuffs? Like main point is that what is in your brain is the main feature that you feeling like जैसे आप कुछ काम भी करते हो तो मेन काम वही होता है जो आपका ब्रेन करता है.
Hmm. Yes, nice.
If your brain is allowing you to do bad works, so you go ना. अगर आपका ब्रेन ही वो चीज नहीं कहेगा तो मेन चीज वो होती है.
Nice. So like I have one question also that as you talk about like this kind of things that your brain matters a lot whatever you are doing in the life, like brain matters, like if your brain is allowing to you to do anything like in this world so you can do. Okay, because today I have seen one news also that one of the person stabbed to Saif Ali Khan 6 times. So I think this is also the example of brain. Like his brain was allowing to
Yeah, it
stab to like Saif Ali Khan, and he stabbed I think 6 times. Now he has hospitalized. Okay. Yes. So like you can ask questions about Mahakum and any kind of questions if you are having.
okay. How many Mahakums are total?
Total Mahakums I don't know because I don't have proper knowledge about Kumbhs and these kind of things like Melas and all. But I am Hindu, so I should have knowledge. But right now I don't have.
Okay.
Yes.
So, uh, how many कितनी जगह पे लोकेशंस पता है आपको कितनी जगह पर महाकुंभ लगता है?
Like in Prayagraj, I think only in Prayagraj because people are going over there only. Allahabad, Prayagraj. That's it.
I think there are two or three more places.
Okay.
Yeah,
Which
Prayagraj is a main center. Focal center is Prayagraj, but there is also Haridwar, Ujjain, and there is one more place I don't remember right now. But
hmm but
hmm,
Prayagraj is the most famous center I think for Kumbh Mela.
it's a main like a focal point जिसे हम कह सकते हैं.
Focal lens. As a science student, you are using some kind of elements like focal and these kind of things. Nice. Nice to glad you. So you have another questions you can ask.
No, if you have, you can.
So like as we all know that like to grow on YouTube is very hard. So I think I am working on YouTube since last 2 years. Okay, I have been working since last 2 years, and I got a lot of you can say I have like you can say done a lot of things for YouTube and for public also. But I was not getting too much views, subscribers, and these kind of things. Because of that reason, sometime I left YouTube for 2 months, 3 months, and 6 months also, and I started again. So what do you think about? Should I continue these kind of things, or what should I stop, or what?
You have to be consistent on your channel.
Okay.
First of all, when you are consisting making videos and giving content to your audience, then they are serious about you. If you do not continue, like you continued for a 1 month and then you leave for a 2 or 3 months, so your audience is like बंदा काम तो नहीं करता,
हाँ.
तो हम क्यों इसको व्यूज दे और सब्सक्राइब करें.
Yes, yes. Do you know what is the reason behind it? As you all know that what I am doing, I am studying also. So I do not I can like when so I was not getting time to like make videos on YouTube this kind of things. But I was making literally I was making